Hello everyone, August is near, and with it comes numerous opportunities to add high demand winning items to your Shopify store that can definitely boost your profit margins. And if we review the month of August, we'll notice two main events. First, we are the peak of summer, and second, all the students are currently on summer vacation. So by understanding these two main events and considering the large population experiencing them, we can identify needs that can be addressed with specific products. Now, using Zik Analytics, I can find accurate products that can meet the needs rather than guess what products that can maybe sell well and all that stuff. Now, remember, the idea is simple, is to prepare your store for August, adding new products in advance around 1 to 2 weeks before the month begins, because this gives you time to market these products on both paid and organic social media channels and allows search engine algorithms like Google to index our product pages in search results. That's why listing products with high demand in August is crucial to do in mid-July. All the products that I'm going to show you today were all discovered using the new game-changing Shopify product research tools Zik recently launched. So are you excited? Let's dive into the products, let's review the products, and let's get going. The first product that I will start with is the beach towel. This useful product can change the way you visit beaches. And by looking for the term beach towels on Google Trends, you can clearly see that it peaks in demand for July and August. Now, this year, the demand seems to be going way through the roof. The data that I see here in Google Trends is gold for me. And why is it gold? Let me share why. See, I see that most of the searches for this phrase right here comes from Australia, UK, and look at this, New Zealand. When the summer season ends for the US, we can target the same product for Australia and New Zealand, as they have summer in December, January, and February. And that is the true power of data, my friends. From research conducted using Zik, I noticed some good models of beach towels selling well during the summer. But the round beach towels are definitely making a comeback. Look at this product on this Shopify store right here. Look at this. The price for the item is $44.59. Not including shipping. And by scanning the Shopify store using the store sales tracker right here, you just copy like this, you paste it here like this, I can see that the store has a wide range of products, which defines it as a drop shipping store. Now, let's scroll down here a little bit, and to identify the beach towel right here, this is the beach blanket that we saw together, and I can see that this product sold 44 times in the past 30 days, which is quite good. Now, by clicking here on the product finder, I can see that this item is sourced from AliExpress. I found this item right here, and can you see that? Look, this is the exact product with the same pattern and size, and the price is only $15.27 plus $8 for shipping. Now, using a simple calculator here, the seller of the store made around $20 in profit before ads and operational costs. So we're talking about 50% profit margin right here. Let's talk about the second product on the list, and this product is a dream for every child and adult who enjoys playing on their phone. And yes, that's a large number of people worldwide. And the product that I'm talking about is this Bluetooth game controller. And I added this product for two main reasons. First, it's useful for children or adults on long car rides, specifically like in August, when there's a lot of travel by car or by plane and so on. It can keep passengers, especially children, entertained. And secondly, it's a great product to market to parents with kids and gaming enthusiasts. This product sells on the Shopify store for $45.99. Using the Zik store sales tracker to search this store, which is essentialviva.com, I see that this item has sold 62 times in the past 30 days. Clicking here on the product finder will reveal that this item is sourced from AliExpress, where it can be bought for only $21.83 plus $7.64 for shipping. On the Shopify store, the exact product is sold for $45.99, which means that the seller makes a profit of around $14 per sale. In the past 30 days, the seller has gained $868 in profit before ad and operational costs. Now, let's go to our next product. Especially during summer break, it's important to keep children entertained with science projects or even growing something in the garden. When I found this item, I was amazed because it combines both. In addition to being unique item rarely found in physical stores, it can teach children about gravity and gardening. Yes, you heard that right. Look at this. Meet the levitating bonsai plant. It's pretty cool, isn't it? I want one of these for me. If you're watching this video and looking to start a niche store, this product could be perfect. You could create a store only selling this type of products, offering these kinds of floating products in different sizes, shapes, and colors. And this item is truly unique and it's priced $104.99 in this Shopify store, which doesn't seem that expensive. It doesn't seem too crazy to charge for this, okay? Let's reverse engineer this item to understand how many times it has been sold in the past 30 days and if we can source it from AliExpress. Now, I'm just gonna add again this store, essentialviva.com, to the Zik store sales tracker and find this product. So look at this, it's here already. You scroll down, look. I see that this product sold 70 times in the past 30 days, 70 times, which is impressive for a $100 plus product. It's really good. Now, let's look for this item on AliExpress, and after looking into it, I found this right here. Look at this, the same product, exact same product, available for only $52.08 with free shipping. And the cool thing is that there are even more variations in terms of electric plugs and models to choose from. By simple calculation, this product gave the seller profit of almost $50 per sale. Yes, you heard that right, $50 per sale. So this seller made around $3,300, like more than $3,000 in profit from this item alone before ads and operational costs, okay? What are you thinking of this product so far, of this video? Let me know. Do you have a product that you're going to add to your Shopify store? Really share with us in the comments below, and don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks about it all, about Shopify that will just boost your e-commerce business. All right, so let's get back to the items right here. The next one, it's a great item for outdoor activities and traveling outside the country. I know it just keeps your stuff secure and close to you, and I'm talking about the funny pack. And you can see here in the Shopify store that it sells a wide range of funny packs with many color options, and all priced at $14.99. And from scanning this Shopify store, I was able to see that this item, look at this, sold 325 times in the past 30 days. And using the product finder, I was able to find a similar product with the same qualities for only $5.66. In cases like this, especially for fashion items, I recommend listing a wide range of products rather than just one. Like variations can include different colors, sizes, shapes, and much more. However, try to limit each variation to up to 5 products to avoid overwhelming your buyers, all right? Because that happens quite often, that the buyers feel overwhelmed by too many options. They want easy. And we would just want to help them make a good choice. Now, let's move here to the next product, to the 5th product in our list. It's this one right here. This product is great for travelers who want to keep their food warm and enjoy it as if it was cooked just a few minutes ago. And the self-heating Japanese thermal isolation lunchbox can keep your food warm for up to 3 hours, which is quite impressive. And it's definitely a great product for the summer break when many families like to bond and travel and so on. I know that you understand the potential of this product. Now, the price for this set is $68.70, which is not cheap, but it seems reasonable considering the quality and the units that we get in this set. Now, by checking this store, minihomey.com, using the Zik store sales tracker, I see that the Shopify store sold this item 24 times in the last 30 days. The nice part is that I can find a similar product in AliExpress. Look at this. And this product is a complete set, including 4 food containers, cutlery set, and a bag. Look at the price. It's $35.34 for a product that we can easily drop ship from AliExpress and sell on our Shopify store for more than double that price. When it comes down to marketing, this product is ideal for advertising using Facebook ads, as it's very family oriented, and Facebook is considered a platform for a more mature audience compared to TikTok or Instagram. Also, I can see that Zik has identified that the store is indeed using Meta sponsor ads to advertise its products. And then you can click here and see what ads and learn from these ads. Now let's move to our next product, and I'm talking about something interesting here, because in this video we've highlighted, great products for humans. But what about our 4-legged friends? We got them covered. We didn't forget about them. With a population estimated to at 900 million dogs and 600 million cats worldwide, we're talking about a huge market full of opportunities. I wonder how they get this data. Anyway, as you might have guessed, the next product is ideal for summer, perfect for taking your pet outdoors and keeping them hydrated. This is it right here. This is the Pet Travel water bottle. At the same store we viewed earlier, it sells this item for $29.48. And by looking for this item using the Zik store sales tracker, I can see that it was sold 14 times in the past 30 days. Not bad, huh? And on AliExpress, we can find the exact same product for only $9.51 with free shipping. The Shopify store sells this product for 3 times the AliExpress price, bringing the Shopify store owner a profit margin of 70% before the ads and operational costs. So I also suggest listing these kinds of items with variations, mainly for colors, to give your buyers more options to match their products to their pet's gender, and what color the pets like, and so on. Pets can be quite picky. And the last item that I want to share with you today is also related to the travel world. Now imagine you are at the airport checking in your luggage, and because of a few pounds or kilos, you have to pay higher fees for it. Not so appealing, right? In this case, you would wish you had a product like this one, the digital luggage scale. This product can be handy for every traveler who wants to avoid surprises at the airport regarding their luggage weight. And it's an easy to sell product, especially suitable for beginner dropshipping Shopify sellers, as it's cheap and in high demand, especially during the month of August, when many people worldwide travel outside their countries. Now, by scanning this Shopify store, bigale.com right here, using Zik store sales tracker, I noticed that this item sold more than 100 times in the past 30 days. That's right. By using the product finder, I found this item on AliExpress, and it sold for $4.58, including free shipping. That's more than 50% profit margin for this item. Now, here's a tip for me. Sell these items in variations of quantity. This product can be bought in multiple units because buyers will want to have extra ones on hand, or give them to family members or friends who need to travel, and so on. These are the best products for August to sell on Shopify. Remember that by understanding the market demand and fitting the right products to it based on solid data, you can have the ultimate e-commerce business, all right? Keep moving forward, and see you next time.